there's a creasing to the shingle. The top shingle has not held up to being bent 45 degrees here and here. So we also have failure to the repairability test in this shingle being able to be bent sufficiently enough to nail the subject shingle to the roof. So we have breaking, transferring of the matting, loss of granules, problems with the adhesion, and then this shingle insufficiently being able to be bent. So we do have multiple failures in the repair test. Thank you.